What's up, guys? I'm Focus. Welcome to the channel. The first video ever. This is just an introduction video. I'm just going to what am I going to do? Just show you guys what I trade, how I trade, how I go about analyzing the markets, what my plans, aspirations are. And I just want you guys to follow on this journey with me. This is mainly for accountability. So yeah, welcome to the channel. I'm from Jamaica. I will not share my age on this platform, and let's get right into it. Okay, so here we are on NAS 100. I trade Forex, not futures. So I did not trade today. However, we can still analyze the markets, even though today was Thanksgiving in the US. So first things, we're gonna mark out some level. FYI, I trade ICT, whatever model, all of the models, the one that I understand the most, the ones that are simplest to me, that's what I trade. If you hate the guy, please don't hate me. Very different from that man. Let's get into it. Alright, so first we're gonna mark out some key levels. Firstly, I'm going to just for a second show the sessions real quick. In the Asian session is where we have midnight open. I call this true day. One of my friends call this true day. Shout out to Balo. Let's get into this. So mark out true day. We're gonna mark up 8:30. We're gonna mark up 9:30. 9:30, right? Alright, so this is what I would mark up prior to all of this. Prior to all of this market movement, prior to everything, I would mark up this. So 9:30 is gone, so I'll just delete them. Just want to show you guys how I go about looking at the markets. Don't worry about what's going on over here. I do not know what's going on over here. I just came on the market, so let's go. We will turn about these sessions. They are 9. Let's go. Yeah, given to us by ICT, all of that. When we're above true day, we plan to sell. When we're below true day, we plan to buy. If you're above true day, you plan to sell. So starting at 9:30 today, we are above true day. So we're looking to come up to a level, maybe this level right here, and then sell off. So let's go to the daily. Let's go to the daily. So what I predicted for this daily move was that the price would go into this breaker right here and reject. It did so beautifully. It created a intermediate high, which means a high that will never break, that won't break soon, or something like that. So this will probably retrace back to here to take out these lows. So daily, however, day has just started. We're thinking about this day right here, this bullish candle right here. So we had no movement below the daily open. We had no bottom wick, which is weird. I barely see these. You only see these on indices. On Forex pairs, you will never see a daily candle without a wick. Let's go into the 4-hour. Prior to the day open, it opened right here. Price went down. Did it reach this order block, or did it reach right here? Order block. It took out liquidity yesterday, so you would have expected a bullish day today. Yep. So we're gonna check out this candle right here and see what happened. It took out liquidity, but what else? What happened? What time did we take out liquidity? Right. Midday. So this doesn't have anything to do with this. If we took out liquidity midday, this is the start of the day. Yeah, right here. They started here. We disrespected this favorable gap, showing bullish momentum. when here went into this fair value gap, we are not respecting anything. This is just an ugly day, but I'll see if I see any places where I would enter the market. So prior to here, this would be Asian session. We got a continuation from in the Asian session from New York, ending of New York. We also got a continuation in London. So here we expect a reversal in New York, but the New York reversal came late, so we would have waited. So this would be a afternoon day. It would mean that I would trade in the afternoon today because the movement was to happen in the afternoon. With all this push and we're expecting to go lower, you'd want your bias would be bearish in the afternoon. So let's see what that looks like after 9:30 here. 8:30 we came below 8:30. We're not looking for any buy, so we'll look at what happens above today and above 8:30. We're above both. We came up here. Did we sweep any lows? We touched this breaker. Did we sweep any lows? Came into this. So this is an order block on the 4-hour or the most likely the 4-hour. No, it's not. What is it? Maybe no 1-hour. Okay. We did not reach it, but it rejected pretty good off of this breaker right here. Rejected off of this breaker in this huge fair value gap. So we rejected off something. After that rejection right here, we see displacement down to the downside, but there are no swing lows. The price are taken, price respected this fair value gap. We came again and we disrespected two fair value gaps to the upside. We entered in this order block right here. OB came down, still respected this fair value gap. Close right here, came up, came into a fair value gap on the came into right here, rejected, came into it again and we respected it nicely. So by the time we reach here, the day would have been done. So no trade would have been taken today, it seems. But we can even analyze yesterday just to show you my model. I want to show you a trade that I have taken just to show you my model. So pretend this is a new day. We have true day. We have New York open. Let me just delete this. Yeah, let's delete these. Yeah. Fresh template. Alright, let's go. So we'll look on the daily. So we're looking at this bullish day right here. My bias from this point is bearish because of the rejection from here. Rejected nicely, came up in, failed to even tap, came back down and closed below the spec rate. So I would expect price to open, rally a little bit, which it did, and then distribute price to the lower. So let's look on the 1-hour time frame. What we would have seen is price coming into this rejection block prior the day before, creating another rejection block, coming into that, and we're selling off. We have displacement here in Tokyo, displacement here in London. So this is where New York would have entered up and give us our 9:30 entry. So let's look for that. If you see me looking over here, I'm looking at my phone. Let's go. What entry I would have gotten if I was watching this market very closely, because I was not watching it very closely. I was at class because I go to school, obviously. Alright, so let's get right into it. Let me clear this chart for you. Yeah, this was Wednesday, Tuesday, and New York is marked up. After 8:30, we just dumped price below. 9:30 came. So this is 9:30 right here. By the way, 9:30 is when the equities market open. So we come in 9:30 with a lot of volatility. What 9:30 did, however, was displaced below. Hold on. Before I'll show you the SMT that it made. The SMT is chart for smart money technique taught to me by ICT. It's just divergence basically. So it made an SMT, I think, on this here right here. So where we had this I, because US 30 and NAS 100 correlate, most of the time they're doing the same thing. However, when they do shift, it basically creates a protected level. So this is the high right here, and as it went below, but as you can see on US 30, it went above. This shows that the NAS is very weak right now, so selling pressure is active. So we're gonna mark up this as an SMT. So marking it up as an SMT would give me the confidence I need for sales. My bias would be sales, even though we are below Tuesday. This is protected. We're not expecting it to even go above Tuesday again for the rest of the day. We broke a level right here. This is market structure shift, typical market structure shift right here. Okay, so this is displacement below this swing low. We're gonna go down now to our 5 minutes after 9:30. Find out that displacement. We see this displacement, we see a big imbalance right here, respecting price to community, but it's a big but. I don't want price to just come into my imbalance. It has to at least come to this breaker, these breaker levels, this or this, for me to enter off of, or come in the 50% of this whole move. So from swing high to swing low, we have a favor gap. 50% would be here. Ideal entry is here, right here, with stop loss being above this level, going down to Asia's low or against the low. So we would not have entered on here, but of course we have other time frames that would have helped us with this entry. So this will narrow it down a bit, giving us another swing point right here, and to go to right here. Still didn't meet our criteria. Try 1 minute. I cannot go on the 2-minute time frame because I do not have TradingView Premium. So yeah. So basically the 2-minute time frame is just there for show. Let's get down to this. I would not have entered on this trade at all, but fear not, there will be other entries. We failed to reach this level, showing us that selling pressure is really heavy. We broke this low again, going to the downside, which is another market structure shift. Well, no, it's not market section shift, but it did break a level. So the ideal entry would be right here now. Didn't even get that. It came up back into an order block. Normally when I'm trading, I when I'm trading I have my music and all that, but not today. So we have an order block here, but we also have a favor gap here, and we have displacement to the downside, breaking this swing level right here. This is a good entry according to my trading plans, trading rules, etc. So we see good rejection of the order block. We close nicely and this can open and this can close. We get a nice entry. Stop loss would be above the first candle, the second candle in the of the fair value gap with this. So we have candle 1, candle 2, candle 3 would be above candle number 2, and I would aim for this level right here, mainly because let's see on the 15-minute real quick. This is a order block I was not expecting. Would have hit my TP, I wouldn't care more or less about price after that. I just knew that this was an order block and it could potentially be something that price respects, and also it was a rejection block on the 1 hour time frame, which it ran through that, ran through this, took liquidity, ran through this, took liquidity, swept this level right here. So it ran this, and it swept this, going right back up, balancing out this move, taking it back to the 50% level of this whole move throughout the day. So all this move, so it would have taken it back to the 50% level of this move, and right here price could even just react off of this 50% level. Well, I don't know no model that says that, but yes guys, that was the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, a little bit about me. I've been trading for next month in December will make it 1 year trading. I've started this journal in the beginning of November, and this is where it's at right now. This journal is my trading journal. So if you want to know win rate and all that stuff, yeah, it's right there. Let me show you. So wins: 1 win, 1 loss, 1 win, 1 win, 1 win, 1 win, 1 loss, 1 loss. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trades with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wins. That's above a 50% win rate, and my IRs are, let me just show you. This is not to brag, I'm not trying to brag, I'm just trying to show you that the ICT is a good trading strategy. Every strategy is good, it's just a matter. This is a 1 to 3. So you get the idea. Big trades. I put emphasis on journaling, by writing notes, writing what you have learned throughout the day, anything you're learning, anything like that. Yeah, you want to write all of that down. so that you can be the best at trading that you can. Hope you enjoy this video. I'm focus or only focus. Peace.